Sponsored by VSK Business Consultant. Business Development. Very important FAQ. 1. What exactly does business development entail? VSK answer. Business development is the strategic process of identifying and nurturing new opportunities to drive growth and profitability for your business. This includes exploring new markets, forging partnerships, expanding your customer base, and developing new products or services. We help you create and implement a tailored strategy to achieve sustainable growth. 2. How can VSK Business Consultant help my specific business? VSK answer. We take a customized approach. We'll first conduct a thorough analysis of your current business operations, market position, and growth objectives. Based on this understanding, we'll develop a bespoke business development strategy that addresses your unique challenges and leverages your strengths. Our expertise spans various industries, allowing us to bring valuable insights and best practices to your specific situation. 3. What areas of business development do you specialize in? VSK answer. Our expertise covers a wide range of business development areas, including market research and analysis, lead generation and qualification, strategic partnerships and alliances, sales process optimization, new product, service development, market entry strategies, and customer relationship management. We can focus on specific areas or provide a holistic approach depending on your needs. 4. What is your process for working with clients? VSK answer. Our process typically involves an initial consultation to understand your needs, followed by a detailed assessment and strategy development phase. We then work collaboratively with your team on implementation, providing ongoing support, monitoring progress, and making necessary adjustments to ensure desired outcomes. We believe in transparent communication and a partnership-driven approach. 5. How long does it typically take to see results from your business development consulting? VSK answer. The timeline for seeing tangible results can vary depending on the scope of the project, your industry, and the specific strategies implemented. Some initiatives, like sales process optimization, might yield quicker results, while others, such as market entry, may take longer. We will establish realistic timelines and milestones during the initial planning phase and provide regular progress updates. 6. What is your pricing structure? VSK answer. Our pricing structure is tailored to the specific needs and complexity of each project. We offer various models, including project-based fees, retainer agreements, and value-based pricing. We will discuss your requirements in detail and provide a transparent and competitive proposal outlining the investment and expected return. 7. What kind of businesses do you typically work with? VSK answer. We work with a diverse range of businesses, from startups and SMEs to larger corporations, across various industries. Our focus is on helping businesses with growth potential achieve their objectives, regardless of their size or sector. 8. Can you provide examples of successful business development projects you've worked on? VSK answer. We have a portfolio of successful projects where we've helped clients achieve significant growth, enter new markets, and forge strategic partnerships. During our initial consultation, we can share relevant case studies and testimonials that demonstrate our capabilities and the positive impact we've had on our clients' businesses. 9. How do you stay up to date with the latest business development trends and best practices? VSK answer. We are committed to continuous learning and professional development. Our team regularly attends industry conferences, participates in workshops, and stays abreast of the latest research and publications in business development. This ensures that we bring the most innovative and effective strategies to our clients. 10. What are the key metrics you use to measure the success of a business development initiative? VSK answer. The key metrics for success will depend on the specific goals of the project. However, common metrics include revenue growth, customer acquisition cost, lead conversion rates, market share expansion, return on investment, ROI, and customer lifetime value. We will work with you to define relevant KPIs and track progress against them. 11. How do you ensure confidentiality and protect our sensitive business information? VSK answer. We take confidentiality very seriously. We have strict policies and procedures in place to protect your sensitive business information. We are happy to sign non-disclosure agreements, NDAs, to provide you with complete assurance. 12. What level of involvement will our internal team need to have? VSK answer. Successful business development requires collaboration. We will work closely with your internal team, leveraging their expertise and insights. The level of involvement will depend on the specific project and your preferences, but we believe in a partnership approach where both teams contribute actively. 13. What makes VSK Business Consultant different from other business development consultants? VSK answer. We believe our key differentiators include our customized approach, our deep industry knowledge, our commitment to delivering measurable results, and our focus on building long-term partnerships with our clients. We prioritize understanding your unique needs and developing tailored strategies that drive sustainable growth. 14. How can we get started with VSK Business Consultant? VSK answer. The best way to get started is to schedule a free initial consultation with one of our experienced consultants. During this meeting, we can discuss your business goals, understand your challenges, and explore how VSK Business Consultant can help you achieve your growth objectives. Please contact us through our website www.vskbusinessconsultant.in or call us at 9840336999. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow our WhatsApp channel, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and trust VSK Business Consultant.